It's slippery.
Oh no. He just that.
He's never seen a man do the dishes.
Weirdo.
It's so long.
Oh my god, I love him so much.
Oh, miss up your bath. Oh, did I miss up your bath? Oh.
She's happy for me. She's happy for... Look, she's happy.
Call USA Van Clinics to schedule your consultation before embarking.
Ma, what up?
So you come here often?
My childhood.
Holy fuck. Will Milo. Stop pursing your lips while you poop.
It does not smell that bad, bro. You're tripping.
Oreo. What kind of cats like to bowl? Alley cats.